Formula number 10 R Lift Neck and Décolleté Serum, part of our breakthrough R Lift Trio collection, is an unparalleled anti-aging and organic serum, clinically proven to address the top 5 signs of aging instantly and cumulatively. Within minutes, Formula number 10 R Lift Neck and Décolleté Serum is clinically shown to lift and sculpt the neckline, blur fine lines, smooth uneven skin tone, reduce redness and dramatically increase hydration. The results are clinically demonstrated to get continuously better with time. The neck and décolleté are an extension of the face, and this clinically proven serum addresses the top 5 signs of aging, giving you that statuesque and sculpted look, instantly, with results that just keep getting better with time. The beauty biologist, Raffaele rubertoparaben free synthetic fragrance-free phthalate-free animal cruelty-free organic and wild harvested features, blue-green algae and green tea pure plant aroma, Peru balsam size, 2 fluid ounce, 60 ml. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.